Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Locksport. Today we're talking shims. Why are shims important? Because we want to get a lock. We want to get a lock safely, but we never know what is hidden inside. So we shim it to protect the top pins from falling into anything that's in the bottom there, or anything from the bottom falling into the top. We put our shim in and we put our follower and we can gut that lock. However, what do you do when your lock is locked? Well, and you want to caution it. Well, you need a nice strong shim, a new shim. You need to be able to put that shim in, use your pressure and shim that lock. So what if we're doing this and we end up bending our shim, because it happens. So this is what a bent shim looks like. When we core shim and then we bend it, how do we bring that back to life? We bring it back to life with a couple of dowels. Well, this one, same size I use for my followers. This one is 12.25 millimeters. Sand things down, everything's a little bit changing sizes, but that's 0.92 inches. This one is 24.26 millimeters, which is 9.68.5 inches. Don't know how to say that lingo. Let's talk metal. This one is a Sparrows. This one is a lab. How do you tell the difference? The lab shim is shiny as. The Sparrows one is a knot. What's the difference between the two? Well, I'm going to talk size here. Yes, lockpicking legend. I'm doing it. It's about thickness. So your Sparrows are 0.5 millimeters. That's 0.002 of an inch. And your lab is 0.4 millimeters, which is 1.5 of an inch. So why does that make a difference? Well, when you are core shimming, you do not want that bend to happen, and that slight thickness makes all the difference. How do you bring your shims back to life? Well, this one was my worst shim. I have a place where the shims go to die. They go in the shim bin. So I've taken this one out of the shim bin and brought it back. How did I bring this one back to life? Well, it's functional now. What did I do? Well, I love shimming. I used 2 dowels. Made a little groove in one. Just going to use the front edge there, and this dowel, which is the same size I use for my followers. So I took out all my bent ones. I took out my worst one, which was this one, the worst in the lot. It was very mangled. You can see all the dents. Every one of those dents was a bend. As you can see, it's come back for some more general use. So let's find one here that's being bent. Brand new shim, one bend when we core shimmed it. Used it for core shimming. So how do we bring this one back? Well, we can cut it in half, maybe use a little bit here, a little bit there, but how do we use it properly? Well, get your follower, put your shim on, get that, and give it a little massage. So you just keep massaging out your bend. Fix up your shims. You need to be patient with everything in Locksport. You need to be patient. There this is a bent piece of metal, so you are reworking it. Heat, the more you do this, it creates heat. Heat enables the bend to come out. Yeah. So I spent about 5 to 7 minutes on this one, and it was very mangled, and as you can see, it's come back. So I'll be doing that to all of my shims now to get them to come back. So I'm very happy to get my shims back. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.